Okay, part 2, which means songs not that many people know about. Alright. Chrissy, wake up! I don't. Can't the future just wait? Can't the deadlines come fashionably late? Oh, I love that song. Life's already it's an early shot, you move. Your turn to do, baby, I found you. She's got you now. You move. Your turn to do, baby, I found you. The world. That's where you go. We're saving the world. Bow, 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 bow. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Tears falling, tears, don't get me started. Okay, so this song is kind of, has some bad words in it, like F. So, just letting you know, so you could just skip this one, go to number 5, the last one for this one. So, E. She and a beheaded, get offended, see a shrink, show us pictures of your children, tell us every thought you think. So remember by a boomer, said definitely to a boomer. Or the amber girl on Dreamers, by the student, by the tumor, and here's a healthy breakfast after nutrient, kill your mom. There's a women that are cute that you can fill a bomb. Which Power Ranger are you? Quirky, quirky quiz. Obama said the Americans to vaccinate their kids. Could I interest you in everything all the time? A little bit of everything all the time. About the things of tragedy and boredom is a crime. Anything and everything all the time. Oh God, I don't know. How did I do that? Do you like how I dance? Got titanium pants. Send you into a trance. Do you like how I walk? Do you like how I talk? Do you like how my face is into chalk? I'm not good at tally hall. I'm sorry.